So once you double click the file, using MySQL installer, you have to click on full. Windows guys, I am sending this link. Follow the website, the link. Okay, you have to click on full. Then it will show you all these things, Visual Studio tools and all. Click on next. Then you have to click on execute. Click on execute here. Then it will start executions. All the executions will happen. Click on executions. Once executions are done, install success. Next. Then when it says configuration, it should be development machine port number 3306. Development machine port 036. Now remember this password. You have to set a password. Be careful with the password. You have to remember this password. So create a password. Let the service name be MySQL 86 or something will be there. Standard system account. And next, and finish. So I have sent you this link. Follow this link and install. First download the installer. First download the installer and then install.
So for Mac, what is the second thing I have to download? Workbench. Hello.
Yeah, somebody is asking a doubt.
Sir, for Mac, what is the second thing I have to download?
Workbench.
Workbench.
Workbench, yes.
Okay.
So after clicking on full version and clicking on next, I'm unable to select that Visual Studio thing. Like it
No,
says,
it will automatically select. Na? Click on the link.
no, it doesn't select. So
No,
it
it
says
is full.
it's not selecting at all. Like it's
No, you clicked full, right?
yeah, I clicked full. Yeah,
Click on next.
yeah, I clicked on next. Yeah.
Now you will see this to be downloaded. Execute. Click on execute.
Okay. It says one or more products requirement have not been satisfied. This first product is missing, not been installed, upgraded. It's not selecting that Visual Studio.
Okay, no
is like-
problem. Click on yes. Whatever it says.
Okay. Yeah, now it says I can.
Yeah, you can download. Yes.
Okay.
Okay, participants are able to install.
Yeah, sir, done.
What happened to this MySQL cheat sheet? Once you're done, please confirm. money.
Sir,
Yeah,
in accounts and roles, we only have to set the password, no, sir?
only password, yes.
Okay, sir.
So I have sent you the ER diagram as well as the cheat sheet. So basically, these are the SQL commands we have: DDL, DCL, DML, TCL, and DQL. DDL means data definition language. Data definition language is your DDL. Data manipulation language is your DML. Data control language is your DCL. Transaction control language is TCL, and data query language is DQL. So we have different types of commands, basically 5 categories: DML, data manipulation language; DDL, data definition language; DCL, data control language; TCL, transaction control language; DQL, data query language. So these are the 5 categories of SQL commands we have. And in MySQL, these are the 5 types of commands: create, drop, alter, truncate will come under DDL. DCL is grant, revoke. DML is insert, update, delete. TCL is commit, rollback, save point. DQL is select. So basically, MySQL has the same type of commands which you see in all types of SQLs. So MySQL, you have installed MySQL? No? So MySQL functions. No. MySQL is separate, completely different. Yeah, you have to install MySQL. See, first go to Google, say MySQL for install MySQL installer for Windows. You'll get the MySQL installer. See, MySQL download for Windows. You'll get the installer. This one you have to go 448.3 M. You have to download. This one, not this. This one you have to download. Online days, you have done it.
Yes, sir.
Now, if you go to your list of programs, you'll see a MySQL folder. Okay, if you go to your list of programs, you'll see a MySQL folder. In that MySQL folder, click on MySQL Workbench. In your MySQL folder, you will see MySQL Workbench. Once you click on MySQL Workbench, you will see the local instance. Click on this. You will get the editor. Downloading? Yeah. Guys, you could open the MySQL online, participants, all of you.
So
And I've already emailed you the SQL database of movies and also the ER diagram and the SQL cheat sheet also I have emailed you. Download all of them. So for importing the file which I sent you, go to administration, data import and restore. Then click on import now from self-contained file, go to the, click on the three dots, location of the file and import the file. And then you can see the file in schemas. Right click and make it default schema. So all of you guys are able to import. Can you guys confirm? Participants, all of you got this? No, that's not right. Go to the downloads. Click into download. Click in downloads. There you go. We did install, I have to install, take lot of time. Minimize it. Minimize it, we have to install and have to open it. What is this? Install and have to open it. We have to do lot of steps there. So the downloads, if you click on the DNC file, that can only be installed and start. So online guys, what is the status? All of you got it?
Yes, sir.
Sir, it's not working.
What is not working? Did you install MySQL first?
Yes, sir.
So
Sir,
did you full installation?
import sir, import from dump project folder में कोई path देना पड़ेगा क्या
You have
पहले?
to click the path, na?
Sir,
You have to click on the three dots.
Click on the.
Self-contained file.
Okay.
Import from self-contained file and click on the three dots.
Okay. Sir, error, no such file or directory.
Click on the three dots, a browser window will open. See, once you click on this, a browser window will open. Go to the place where you have saved that emailed file.
Yes sir, फिर error आ रहा है उसके बाद. No such file or directory. ऐसे ही
You
किया मैंने.
download the file which I emailed you.
Yes sir.
Give me your NIDS thing. Let me check.
Okay.
So select specific columns. Select title, budget from movie will give you the select statement with specific columns. So select statement is a very important statement when you are working with. So select statement is what statement? Select statement is what statement? DDL or DDM?
DQL, sir.
DDL, right?
DQL, sir.
DQL, data query language. Or DQL statement. Okay, you can see. One. Now we have done the SQL select statement. SQL function execution order. So the execution order for the select statement, what you call, when you use the select statement with multiple functions, the execution order would be so this is the very important thing you need to understand. Select statement from table specification, where you have to give the search condition, group by grouping columns, having grouping columns, order by sort of specification, and then you get the output. So this is the execution of order. You need to understand when you are dealing with multiple functions within an SQL statement, the execution order. So where followed by group by, having group by column, order by. So this is the sequence of order which you need to follow when you are looking at select statements and when you are using multiple functions. Okay, so this is a very important thing which you need to understand before we write the function clauses. Now, I want to sort descending order by budget with title. So I want two columns, title and budget. I want it to be descending order sort. So what should be the command, query? Select title, comma, budget from movie, order by DSC, right? So we got an error. Oh, sorry, order by budget. You have to give the order by thing also, right? No, budget order by or order by budget? It is still showing error. Movie. Movie. Order by budget. ESC. Order by there is space. So you will get the. So Pirates of Caribbean is one. Now, if you want to have specific, you can give limit statement. Limit 20. So you'll get only 20. Top 20. Guys, you're getting it online, guys? Got it, all of you? Now, do ascending order sort. Bottom 30. You are able to run it, workbench? It's still installing, huh? Anybody got the query? Can you paste the query in the chat window, please? So budget zeros are there. Copycat, monsoon wedding, these are the what in 30. Found distinct movie titles. How many distinct movie titles are there? Workbench, open workbench, it opened? Huh? There is a local host on top of workbench connector. It is not here. Huh? And I think we have installed in other countries also. We have not installed all the countries. Select this thing. Title from movie. Hey, I want count here. Yeah, what Vikram is given correct, count title from movie. 4,803 titles are there. So you have to give count. Other participants, are you getting this or not? Count. Testing movie status. Got it? Anybody? Syntax error. So all the movies are released, huh?
Actually, sir, the count has to come outside and distinct has to go inside the count bracket. Right?
Count. Distinct, huh? Like this.
I don't know. Bracket is not required after distinct.
Count. Distinct.
No, ground, a bracket, distinct, and movie status. No, inside the bracket only, sir, like movie status. Space, movie status.
Three are there, right? So we need to have the frequency of the three categories. So there are three categories, right? So we have to use group by. Frequency of three categories in movie underscore status. Select movie underscore status group by movie underscore status from movie. Okay, from movie should be before that. Group by movie status, right? Released, rumored, post-production. Oh. Comma count of movie underscore status as frequency, right? Yeah. This is the table I'm looking for. So there are three categories. So guys, got this? Select movie status, count movie status. చెప్పలేదు మీరు కన్ఫర్మ్ చేస్తే బాక్స్ అయితే అప్పుడు చెప్తాను. నువ్వు రెడీ ఉంచుతావు 12:30కి నేనే కన్ఫర్మేషన్ తీసుకుని నేను అప్పుడు బుక్ చేస్తాను. నువ్వు చేస్తే పర్లేదు. So select count as frequency from movie status, movie group by movie status. Default schema, you have to make the default schema, right? Default movies on top, right? Set as default schema. Now we can run. If you read sentences, there are no default. This is not movies, it is movie. Be careful with the spellings. Guys, got this? The query? So there are three categories in movie status: released, rumored, and post-production. The frequencies are this. Find frequency of language underscore name from language. Find the frequency of language underscore name, L small letter. How many types of languages are there? Find it, participants. Get it out first. Once you're done, please paste your query in the chat window. Yes, anybody got the answer? Yes, Vikram has given us. Let me check it. Control C. Not count here. You should not, yeah, count language name. Group by language name, only frequency one. Acha, different types of languages. Okay. All right. Select title and rating. Not rating, popularity, release date, revenue. Select title and runtime. Greater than 100 minutes. I want these titles whose runtime is greater than 100 minutes. I want a title and runtime. Here, what you have to use is the where statement, the where condition. Okay, Rishabh is given something, let me check. Yes. So, and also order by. Order by runtime. DAC. Carlos 338, company 276, Gettysburg 254. 15 minutes, 138, Inglorious, Bahubali, the beginning. So you have all the movies that have greater than 100. So you are able to follow, right? Select title, runtime, here, movie, runtime is between 150 minutes and 200 minutes. Between. So somebody pasted in the chat window, Ashish Singh. Okay, I'm putting Ashish's query. To order, put the order by also so that we can see the sequence. Two hundred, 200, 190, 195. Group by movie underscore status. Okay. So you have to add group by also. So you can copy paste the same query down. And then you can add group by movie underscore status. Okay, we have to add movie underscore status. So we got an error. What is the error? After where only we give right group by,
Yes, sir.
then why it is giving us error? There's an error because
So for me, this query is working, but I'm getting only one record.
you're getting only
One record when I run this query, same query which you wrote.
there's a response action here. Let us see what is it. Now I want to know whether they are released or not. So this is the 150 to 200. We are getting the output, right? Now we got it, right? Oh, okay, okay. All are released only. Right? Then group by movie underscore status. Here we are getting an error. If we add a group by to this, it is giving us an error.
It's working for me, so I don't know how.
164 movies are returned.
The query I sent is working for me, like I don't know how.
Okay. Now for Mac, it is not working. For you, it is working, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, no problem. So sometimes in Mac, we get these errors. Okay. Now select title, runtime, vote count, sorry, vote underscore average. And descending order by vote, runtime, and vote count. Oh, sorry, vote average. Where? Which spelling? Huh? Runtime, what is spelling correct? No space. RUNTIME. from movie where runtime greater than 100. Order by space is there. Runtime DAC. What are you are getting? 1054. Syntax error. Spelling mistake. That's why if you don't close the previous query, it will give an error. Okay, the shape has given query. DSC. Hey, runtime is coming as 00.
Yes, sir. I don't know. I applied desk.
Comma. Average.
So, specify DAC after runtime also. But then what average will become messed up.
Other guys, are all of you getting this? Select title. Gone with the wind. Select titles. Gone with the wind. Emma. Die Hard. Star Trek. Select these titles. So select star from movie where title in, and you can give the titles in brackets. Can add order by budget. PSC. So Star Trek followed by Die Hard, Gone with the Wind. They are the big budget movies. All of you guys are getting it? Ashish, Jansi, Rohit, Sapna, Tariq. Because I am seeing queries from Rishabh, Ashish, and Vikram. Rest of you guys are able to follow?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Because Ashish and Vikram and Rishabh are giving the queries. What about the others? Yeah. What about Jansi, Sapna, and all? Okay, it's 11 o'clock. We'll break for 15 minutes. Okay. Top 10. Anybody got the query? You can put it in the chat window. Yes. Only title. You are right. Select title, comma, popularity. Minions, Interstellar, Deadpool, Guardians of Galaxy, Mad Max Fury Road, Jurassic World. Okay, all of you got this? Hmm? It will store here only. In MySQL only. SQL file will be stayed. If you want to, you have to copy it into text file. Copy everything into a text file and then you can store it, or it will be there in this. Okay, open the SQL, it will be there. Workbench is open workbench, localhost, it's not there. Click on localhost. Using SQL file, there. Go to schema. No, down, administration schema for them. Here. Move this database is there. Let me clarify. Click on file. On top. No, file. On top, left side format, no. Open listen. No, there is the right side. Okay. There is query. Query is not there. Query has to be there somewhere. Has to stay, it will say actually. SQL scripts. No. So that is certainly wrong for me. We have to read before. Okay, click on the Zoom link. I will put everything in the chat. I'll send the script file. You can copy it. Control C. I'm putting it directly in the chat window. Okay. You'll copy from there, or you want me to put it in a text file? Copy. Not working. So I have to do it in text file only. So I've sent you. It's there, okay? Okay, guys. Hey, mute now. Mute your speaker. Audio, mute your audio. Participants, all of you are there. Shall we go ahead? Hmm? No, voice is not on the top. And also on the system, you have the problem. Now, this- Okay. All right, all of you should move forward. Now, let us look at some advanced queries using joins. Now, you're all familiar with SQL joins, right? So there are different ways of using joins. So these are the MySQL joins. Left join, table A, left join table B on A key, B key. Or you can also use left join table B on A key, B key, where B key is null. Fuller outer join, inner join on, you have to give the assets. Now, this is one way of using joins. Okay. There is one more way of using joins, which is using where is that using thing? Okay. So these are the types of join. Now, okay, there are different types of joins. Who is the director? Who are the directors? Not who is the directors. Who are the directors of most popular movies top 10? Of most popular movies top 10. So to the previous query, we need to add certain joins because the movie director name is not in the movie table, right? So now you have to look at the ER diagram. All of you open the ER diagram, which I sent you. Now, if you look at the ER diagram, where is the director's name? So you have to have person name, department name, then movie crew, then movie. Right? So what tables we need to join? We need to join department name, person name, through movie crew, then movie, right? So movie table is joined to movie crew is joined to person and department name. So in the
Can you
MySQL,
explain the basic of joins, like foreign key, etc.
joins, there are most of the time we use normal join, which is your what you call left join. We will mostly use left join or join. So MySQL, you have two types of joins. You have MySQL join. So you can see here, a join clause is used to combine rows from two or more tables based on a related column between them. You have a MySQL join, okay, which will join the tables based on a common related column. Okay, either you can use join or you can use inner join. Join is by default inner join. So MySQL join versus inner join. Inner join is equal to join. Similarly, we also have one more thing, natural join. This will automatically find the common column and do it. You don't need to give the common column also. So natural join is also there. So all of you look at this thing, the natural join. So natural join is which is used to merge two tables depending on the same column name, and data types is known as natural join. Inner join has a specific join condition where the join operation is used to form a new table by joining column values of two tables based upon the join predicate. So natural join and join, we will use both and see how it is easy to run. Now, for this query, which I have asked you, what are the tables we need? The tables we need are movie, then movie underscore crew. We need person underscore person. We need person. And we also need department. Department. Okay, all of you got this? Anybody could run the query? Select movie, sorry, select title, comma, popularity, comma, person underscore name, comma, department underscore name from movie natural join movie underscore crew natural join person natural join department where department name double equals to director director name is director is there. Okay, department names. What all we have? We have to find out the department names. Select, count, string, department underscore name from department.
So we have directing.
Direct. Okay. So it's D capital or small mat?
D capital, yeah, D capital.
Directing, right? Where director name is, where department name is directing, why it is giving an error?
So you, double equal to is
Yeah. Single equal to, right? Order by popularity, BSc limit is 10, right? Unknown popularity, spelling mistake, huh? Yes, right? You got the name. Minions is directed by Kyle Balda. Why Minions came 2 times? Oh, there might be 3 directors, huh?
yeah, there might be 2 directors for the same
3
movie.
directors. Interstellar, okay, just check on internet. Minions.
Yes, a Piri Coffin and Kyle Balda.
Okay,
Pierre, sorry.
yeah. Thierry Coffin and Kyle Balda. Okay, then it's correct only. Our query is correct. On the natural join, I have not given what is the join criteria here, right? So I have not given the join criteria here. So what natural join will do is it will automatically identify the common columns and then it will join. So Interstellar is Christopher Nolan. I know that. Deadpool is Tim Miller. Guardians of Galaxy is James Gunn. Mad Max Fury Road, I think there are three directors. Huh?
Mhm.
Jurassic World, again, two directors. Now, all of you got the query? So in natural join, you don't need to specify the common column name. You don't need to specify the common column name. Here we are using natural join. No need to specify the common column name. But if you are using normal join, join movie crew using what is the common column between movie crew and movie?
Movie IDs. Yes.
On movie underscore ID. Okay. It's not valid at this position, expecting on.
एक टेबल नेम देना पड़ेगा शायद.
No. Movie ID. Join.
So you have to give the table name, right? Movie dot movie ID equal to movie underscore.
Not required. I'm telling you the latest version of join.
Okay, okay.
Join movie crew. What is the common thing between movie crew and person?
Person ID.
Join person on person underscore ID. Join.
It's person ID.
Person ID. Join department, right? On department ID, right? Underscore ID.
Department ID, yeah.
We can give the same argument here. We'll see. Oh,
Department ID is on.
is on clause. Okay, I think
So person ID and department ID.
here we use this thing, right? You can see here. Join for payment using customer ID. Join rental using rental ID. Using is there. Same type of query I'm trying to run. Using movie ID. Using person underscore ID. Using department underscore ID. Let's run this. Yes, got it. Yes, got it. This is the same query which we ran earlier, but here we have given the common column name. Both queries output are correct only, same only. So sometimes what happens is you may not be able to use natural join. In some of the data schemas, natural join is not working. So you have to use join using common column ID. The output is same for both of them, right? Now, Vikram or Rishabh, you can send me that left on ID query also, where MID is equal to like that, no?
Mhm.
That also send me. You write that query like that also, where MID is equal to BID, CID is equal to DID, like you write, no?
Yes, sir.
That also you send me. I'll put it. That is another way of writing also. Using the where statement. So that you can choose your choice, whatever choice you want, you can choose. Yeah, anybody has a doubt? Execution plan. Yeah, so Vikram has given the other type of queries which you might be regularly running. This is a very long query, right, compared to the previous ones. See here, popularity. This is also will give you the same output. Okay, so but you have to look at the amount of arguments you have to give. The syntax errors will come up. Okay, so the advantage between among these three queries is the top two queries have less syntax. Right? Here you will chance of making a mistake is less. Here you have is equal to C dot, person dot, and all those things, spelling mistakes and syntax will come. All these three queries are same. You guys are getting it, participants, all of you?
Yes, sir.
You can use any of your choice. Natural join, or join with where conditions is equal to condition. Which one you want to use, you can use. So all you have to do is look at the ER diagram, find the connected tables and join them. Natural join, you don't need to specify the common column name. In join, you have to specify the column name in brackets, round brackets with the word using. Whereas in the third type, you have to give a proxy name to the table. Like movie is given A, movie crew is given B, A dot movie ID is equal to B dot movie ID, join person C on B dot person. So you have to give proxy names to the tables. Right, Vikram?
Yes, sir. Or also you can just give movie.movie ID without giving proxy names. Movie
So
crew.movie ID.
whatever format you want to do, whichever you are comfortable, you can choose it. I would say the second one would be the best one option. Because sometimes natural join is not working. If it gives another, then you do join. Where you don't need to, in natural join is perfect, where you don't need to give the common column name. It will automatically detect. Okay?
So,
Now-
but there's a chance that like let's say movie has a column called movie ID and movie crew has a column called just movie ID without the underscore. But they're the same thing but different names.
Yes,
So then the third query comes into role like
yeah, third query comes into row, or you can alter the column name also, right?
yeah, we can alter that. Yeah.
The best would be alter the column name. That way your problem will be solved, right?
Mm-hmm.
See, in queries, what happens is you have to look at the time. See here, I am running the first query. Okay, I am scrolling to the what you call the grid. If you go down in the grid, you have this execution plan. See, execution plan for the query which I ran. Okay. Full table scan of department, non-unique key lookup, unique key lookup, unique key lookup, and order. Total cost is 25,753.48 for the natural join query. If I'm doing the join query and then go to the execution plan, it is also similar, not much of a difference. If I do the third query and then go to the field types, query stats, execution plan, all three have same cost. Not much of a difference in the cost, right? So time and cost you have to look at when you're writing the queries. In the corporate, when you're doing it in large tables, you have to look at the execution stats and also here. You can see the query stats, right? How much time it is taking. Right? So these query stats are also important in when you go to the real time. Your manager will say, copy the query stats also and give me the output. So they want to see which one is running with lowest query cost. Okay. Now to this query, I want to add department, movie company name. What should I do? Movie company I want to add, company name. Your company ID. Is company name, movie company, production company. We are in company name. Now I want to add company name to this table. Do that. Add company name to this table. Same table which we got down. I wanted who is the company, add additional column called I think in the production company you have it, company name. Just check the ER diagram and add it. This is better. Students are online. Yeah, today they are online. Why? Okay. You can take from government's page, they are attending online today. Anybody got the query?
Sir, can you repeat the question?
I want another column in this, I want production company name. Add another column to this date output where you will get the production colony name, what you call production company name. Anybody got it? Yeah, so Vikram got it. So select title, popularity, production company, department name, and all. Okay. So who are the directors of directors and production company? Of most popular top 10 what you call movies. Okay,
There's
so
a small problem with this query, sir. Like,
what problem?
you can just expand this table. You'll see like some movies have multiple production houses and it's
Hmm.
just
Okay. Okay, Illumination Entertainment, see, there will be there because it's a graphics company, right? It's a graphics movie,
Mhm.
right?
yes, sir.
So there will be animation partner. There will be animation partner now for Minions.
Yes, sir.
Check in the Google.
It should be Universal and Illumination both.
Order by popularity, limit we have to increase, I think, right?
Mhm.
Limit 30 we will make and see. See, Christopher Interstellar, Deadpool, Tim Miller directing, TSG environment. No, there is some problem here, right?
Yes, sir. Like for example, like Christopher Nolan it has like five production houses, so his name appears 5 times.
5 times, yeah.
Yeah. And
Hello?
also we can't say whether we have 10 movies here, like Minions, Interstellar, 3, 4, 5. We only
Ah,
see 6 movies, not the top 10 movies.
yeah. ఏంటి బాక్స్ అయిపోయిందా నేను పంపిస్తాను బుక్ చేస్తాను
So we use distinct.
distinct, yeah? Distinct, yeah, we have to use distinct. On what we have to use distinct? Person name, huh?
I
Distinct,
don't think distinct will work, so.
I think distinct person name. But distinct is giving me error. Where
Sir,
should?
title, I
No,
think.
you don't need the brackets for distinct.
Okay.
Title, I think.
No, person name is repeating, na? But,
The movie is repeating.
no. Where do we add distinct here? To the movie or title?
I don't think we can add to any distinct because it's not distinct. Like if you see all the rows, they have some difference.
So person name, we can distinct, right? No, having condition. we
No,
have-
we can't.
No.
I think we
Instead of order by, we have a having condition, right?
we have having, yeah.
Having. Having what we'll give here. So we need
We can having a count of title something equal to 10 or something. Or count of distinct titles equal to 10. So we will get 10 movies.
having distinct it's giving the error. Distinct cannot be given. Now see where it
So
is.
we can give count and then put distinct, like having count. Instead that we can.
No, actually, who directed Interstellar? Only one director, right? Christopher Nolan.
Yes, sir. Yeah, but
produced
there
the-
are like 5 names for
No.
production house.
Interstellar movie who produced?
I
Production
think all.
company. Interstellar, the production company name is what?
I guess all of them, Paramount and.
All of them will not be there, no?
We have, sir, like Paramount, Warner Bros, Legendary.
That is correct, yeah. Because
It is
there are
correct. It is correct.
companies, na?
Yes, sir. It is correct. The only thing is that like you asked for movies which are top 10, right?
From 10.
So
then
we don't have
the
10
limit.
movies here.
We have to increase the limit.
But sir, how we'll know like how much to increase that? Like
Then we have to be trial error only.
I think we can. Let me just try. Like I think we can try with having.
Having tried? Got it? అతను పికప్ వస్తాడు డ్రైవరు, అదే బైక్ డ్రైవరు. పైకి వచ్చిన తర్వాత బాక్స్ ఇచ్చేటప్పుడు 60 రూపీస్ ఇవ్వండి, 60 రూపాయలు. 60 రూపాయలు ఇవ్వండి, బాక్స్ ఇవ్వండి. వాడికి చెప్పండి సెక్యూరిటీ, అది కాలేజ్ గేట్ సెక్యూరిటీ దగ్గర ఇచ్చేయమన్నాను. నరసింహ ఉంది, అదే వాళ్ళకి అడ్రస్ నేను మ్యాప్ పెడతాను, వాడికి తెలుసు మ్యాప్ వస్తుంది వాళ్ళకి మ్యాప్ వస్తుంది. మీరేం చెప్పక్కర్లేదు, 60 రూపాయలు ఇచ్చి బాక్స్ ఇచ్చేసేయండి వాడికి. ఓకే, మమ్మీని ఇచ్చేసి 60 రూపీస్ ఇచ్చి బాక్స్ ఇచ్చేయండి. వాడు మ్యాప్ లొకేషన్ చూసుకుని వచ్చి డెలివరీ చేస్తాడు. ఓకే, అదే వస్తున్నాడు, దారిలో ఉన్నాడు, వస్తాడు. ఓకే, రైట్.
I'm unable to figure out right now, sir. Like,
No
it's
problem.
giving me
But
zero rows.
Right. Okay, now write this query. Most popular movies directed by female directors. Directed by female directors. Write the query. Female directors. You have to add to the where statement and clause. Where that department name is equal to directing and find the gender. I think gender table is different, right? Gender table is different.
You have to add person to it and then gender.
So use title, popularity, person name, gender, department name, gender. And connect the tables. Join the tables. Anybody got the query? మమ్మీ డెలివరీ అతను రావడానికి ఇంకో 10 minutes ఉంటుంది ముందు. ఇంకోటి ఏంటంటే నువ్వు నాకు ఫోన్ చేయి అతను రాగానే. నేను ఆ పిన్ ఇవ్వాలి, పిన్ నెంబర్ ఇవ్వాలి. ఓకేనా? పర్లేదు, నువ్వు కూర్చో, రిలాక్స్ ఉండి వాడికి బెల్ కొడతాడు. బాక్స్ ఇచ్చేటప్పుడు నాకు ఫోన్ చేయి, నేను పిన్ నెంబర్ చెప్తాను. ఓకే, ఇంకా టైం పడుతుంది, రిలాక్స్. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon.
Yeah, Anushka. I will do that. I will do that. Yeah. So select title, popularity, person name, gender from movie, natural join movie crew, natural join person, natural join department, natural join movie cast, natural join gender, where department underscore is directed and gender is equal to female. Oh, we are limit 10. Limit 20. So Anne Fletcher seems to have directed more movies. Drew Barrymore, popularity is Frozen, Jennifer Lee, Catch Me If You Can, Anna Mary Quintana, Pitch Perfect 2, Elizabeth Banks, Step Up Anne Fletcher, Proposal Anne Fletcher, Elizabeth Banks, movie 43, Repeat Drew Barrymore, Anne Fletcher, Hot Pursuit, Jodie Foster, Beaver, Black Rock, Rage, Jennifer Finnegan. Okay. See? Got it? Movies directed by Steven Spielberg. Is it spelling correct? Steven Spielberg.
I think it feels
Hmm.
I think it's Steven Spielberg. Yeah, Spielberg. Correct, sir. SPI.
There here. So is nothing part. Or Spielberg is not here. Huh? Search. No. Even 100 movies also we are not getting Spielberg. Spelling is correct.
If you
only.
see, so Jurassic World has so many rows, multiple directors, multiple production houses.
Okay, Steven Spielberg only. I think the spelling is correct only.
Yeah, it's correct.
Yeah. All the movies directed by Steven Spielberg. Yeah, so anybody is asking doubt?
Sir, my answer is different from Vikram from previous question or previous question.
Your answer is different. Okay, let us see.
This is that query.
Okay. No, Christopher Nolan is not female.
Sir,
Christopher Nolan is not female, na?
Yeah, even James Gunn is.
No, James Gunn is not female. George Miller is not female.
but gender shows female.
It's wrong. Query is wrong.
Okay, sir.
Because these are the females. Exact females are Jennifer Lee, Anna Maria, Elizabeth Banks, Annie Fletcher. What you got is wrong. There's an error in the query. Check it. Movie is directed by Steven Spielberg. There are no repetitions, right?
Yeah, no.
Got it, all of you? Let's see. Then SQL queries. SQL queries. Okay. Then. MySQL queries on movies database. SQL queries open. Yeah, I have sent to the file. All right. So this is the last query directed by Spielberg. Okay, and then for easy understanding and all, you can also look at this site. Hints.io/MySQL. The cheat sheet is available here. I am pasting the link in the chat window. Okay. You can see here how the clauses select statements and joins and all. Mail only, yeah. Okay. Okay. You can look at this reference point. Any doubts? You can ask me now. We'll end the session for today. Guys?